Hi there, I'm back. It's August and we are halfway through our Block of the Month program, Bird Dance. Now we're going to talk about blocks number 13, 14, and 15 in this video. And let's go over to the work table and I'll show you what's in your kit. Let's take a look at your blocks this month. The first one is block number 13. And you are pretty much going to follow along in the book. I did make a couple of changes. We're not going to use the Dazzle. I'm going to use Petite Very Velvet. And if you'll notice up here, I just added this because I think the bird needed something on its head. So I used some Razzle, and you've got instructions for that. So I'll let you see that. And this is bird 14. So you're going to make some circles. You're going to do a whipped woven circle. I made 8 spokes. You might want to do your spokes really close to the edge of the inside. And I think at some point I will do something in this cotton overlay, but I'm just not sure what I'm going to do yet. So I just left it blank. And then I added these Palestrina knots. And this is block number 15. Get a good look at that. You're doing a threaded back stitch with Petite Very Velvet and the Daruma Sashiko. And if you notice this bird, there are 4 little blue wings, I guess that's what you call them, in the pattern, but I couldn't fit them on very well, so I just left one of them off, so there's only 3. And then you've got your flower coming down the left side, and you're going to do some fly stitches. And what I did, I just added some couching because the legs were kind of big on each side, so I'll give you a close-up of that. And I think I give you instructions on how many wraps. This might be 20 for the top of this flower. Okay, so let's look at your kit comes with. You're going to get this pretty white as your background. You've got this eggplant. Your layering cottons, got this, and some batik. And you'll get those in 2 little pieces here for your batiks. This cute little stripe, a red. This is from last month. I forgot this piece, so you'll get that if you requested it to be in your blocks for this month. And here's some wool pieces. And some hand-dyed rickrack. So let me show you the threads. You're going to get Petite Very Velvet. It almost looks black, but it is actually an eggplant color. You will get some silken pearl, and it is pearled blues. So pretty. You'll get a little package of Daruma. So pretty. Sashiko. And then if you ordered the threads, the wool threads, these are the 2 colors that you will get. And you can always order them a la carte. So that is what you're going to get this month. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you next month. If you're still watching this video, I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of the design wall and how our blocks are coming together. So let's take a quick look and see what is happening here. When I started this project, I went ahead and cut out all of the background blocks because I wanted to make sure that they all look good together. So you'll see these in various stages of completion, but this is kind of where we're at right now. I thought you'd like to have a quick look.